Singapore, a city known for its stunning skyline and vibrant economy, has undergone one of the most remarkable transformations in the modern history. But how did a tiny island nation with negligible natural resources became a global economic powerhouse? Well, let's find out in this case study video. Well, Singapore's journey actually began in early 19th century as a British trading post. Its strategic location made it a vital hub for trading and commerce. However, after gaining independence from Malaysia in 1965, Singapore faced immense challenges including high unemployment rate, houses shortage, and limited natural resources. But like any other struggling country, Singapore also have a savior in their story. A guy named Lee Kuan Yew became the first Prime Minister of Singapore, and under his leadership, Singapore embarked on an ambitious path of economic and social transformation. Vision and policies laid the foundation of what it would become one of the most successful economies. Singapore economic miracle is actually rooted in its smart economic policies. Government focused on creating a business-friendly environment and attracting foreign investments and highly skilled workforce. Today, Singapore is a global financial hub and home of many multinational corporations and some of the most extraordinary startups. The city-state invested heavily on infrastructure, education, and technology, transforming itself into an innovation and high-tech industries like electronics, biotechnology, and IT sector. Despite its urban density, Singapore is one of the leading countries in sustainable development. City-state has implemented innovative solutions to manage its limited natural resources, including water recycling and urban greening. Singapore's commitment towards sustainability ensures a balance between skyrocket economic growth and environmental preservation. From developing renewable energy sources to pioneering smart city technologies, Singapore sets a beautiful benchmark for sustainable urban development worldwide. Well, Singapore's transformation from a post-colonial struggling state to a global powerhouse is a story of absolute vision, perseverance, and strategic planning. Alright, this was a short story of Singapore, a country who is creating future in style. Please do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this country, and also tell me what are the new topics that you want to see in our upcoming videos. Till then, my name is Vivek. Thanks for watching.